Hello folks, Iggy is here. We're still a couple of months away from the release of the Galaxy Watch5 series, but SamMobile has a spicy rumor to share. According to the publication sources, Samsung is killing the classic watch and replacing it with Pro. The standard option remains with the Watch 5. It's still unclear what caused the naming change. It could mean that Samsung is ditching the rotating bezel, or it could also be just a simple rebranding for some marketing reasons. Either way, the report gives away some other relevant information. For instance, the regular Watch 5 will come in two sizes, while the Pro will likely be sold in just one size. Previous rumors also suggest that the latter will incorporate a big 572 mAh battery. It should fix all the battery life complaints people had with the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Probably the classic sounding less advanced than its counterpart, while it is in fact the larger and more expensive option. I just hope the Pro will still have the ring around the display. To be honest, the rotating bezel is all I need, the best feature on any Galaxy Watch, so I hope they keep it. Back when it was the Gear lineup, Samsung debuted the rotating bezel to wide praise and has kept the feature around in the years since. The Galaxy Watch Active was the brand's first foray into a smartwatch without the feature, followed by the Watch Active 2. Samsung went further with the bezel-less design on its Galaxy Watch 4, which moved the rotating bezel over to the classic design, and there's still a good chance that the larger watch will still pack the feature. In any case though, this report makes it clear that Samsung will only have two models to offer later this year, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic are the first smart timepieces from Samsung to ship with Wear OS 3 instead of Samsung's own Tizen, and the Watch 5 as well as the Watch 5 Pro are expected to keep that tradition, building on the plethora of health and fitness features introduced with their predecessors. Multiple rumors over the past few weeks have also revealed some of the other features of the upcoming smartwatch. According to a report from last month, the Galaxy Watch 5 will ship with a thermometer to help users measure their body temperature. The report claims that Samsung has devised a novel way to measure body temperature accurately through a smartwatch, and the new technology could help users detect COVID symptoms at home. Beyond that, SamMobile also mentions that Samsung will be updating its Wear OS 3 skin, One UI watch, with this upcoming generation. That doesn't come as a huge surprise, but it's probably safe to assume this won't be a full revamp. Going on past patterns, Samsung only makes major updates to the software on its smartwatches every few years, and usually after a revamp of its Android skin. Well, I guess we'll have more details very soon. Of course, the naming doesn't matter. The main thing is the rotating bezel and the battery life. Guys, do you have other expectations for the next generation of Samsung smartwatches? Let us know in the comment section below. Also share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, good luck!